How to deposit or withdraw from Crypto.com app for beginners. If you want to deposit or withdraw money on the Crypto.com app, I will guide you both of those processes. First, let's talk about depositing money to our Crypto.com account. Open the Crypto.com app, and then there you can see the transfer option after you log in. So make sure you're logged in and you tap on transfer, and at the bottom you can see the option called deposit. So you can tap on deposit. Now here you can choose whether you want to deposit a crypto or whether you want to deposit fiat currency, which is money. So based on what you want, if you want fiat, select fiat, and then from here you can simply select the currency that you want to deposit, choose a payment method, connect your bank account by entering the amount and so on, and once you've linked your bank account and confirm the deposit, you can tap on confirm and you've successfully deposited money to your Crypto.com account. Now to withdraw it, however, let's say you've sold a certain cryptocurrency for cash and you want to withdraw that cash to your account again, just come to your Fiat wallet, and from Fiat wallet there you can see the transfer option. Tap on the transfer option, and at the bottom again you'll find the option called withdraw. So of course you want to go ahead and then tap on withdraw. It will ask you to withdraw that money to your account, so you can tap on the withdraw now option, and then you'll be able to confirm the changes. And this way you should be able to deposit or withdraw on the Crypto.com app for beginner. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.